Hey, what's up, PB Nation? This is Zippin35. Doing an unboxing video of what should be a Bob Long closer. Silver, chromish, and black. Trying out the new camera angle, so bear with me. It's Saturday. It's actually about noon. Hopefully you can see who this is to and from. It's from a gentleman named Wyndon Sear from Canada, Saskatchewan. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. On there it even says Bob Long closer. So I actually was just packing up my paintball stuff. I didn't think this was going to get here this weekend. I almost switched out my tank regs, but then for some reason decided it wouldn't be worth the hassle this weekend, and that is the reason why I have hair left to do this video. This box is really well taped up. I'll give it that. There was a little bit of movement inside, but I'm not all too worried. So kind of a hack job on the packaging. Wrapped up in a plastic bag. As long as it gets here in the condition it was described, I'm okay with it. He did say it wouldn't have macro. There's one thing that I did forget about. But hopefully I have enough laying around. So there it is, the closer. I don't know what the hell that is up on the grip frame. I've never actually had really any Bob Long gun before, so I'm not all too sure about their mechanics, but it seems pretty straightforward. Turn it on. Is there perhaps no battery? Is that the case? Alright, let me go grab my wrenches. Sorry, my allergies are a wreck right now. Well, there's a battery. Is it maybe just dead? Let's try and swap it out with another one. There it is. So apparently the battery just died. So it turns on. Don't know how to turn the eyes off. Maybe there's just be power. Okay, I don't know how to turn the eyes off yet. Genuinely not my biggest concern. As they appear to be working. That looks like a mode. Sorry. Okay, well, the bottom line is that right now the gun works. So we got some macro over here. I don't know why he has such a big drop forward on here. But hey, to each their own, right? Alright, so we got some macro. Let's go ahead and put the plate back on, the grips back on here. And there should be a two-piece barrel. We can go ahead and move forward with that now that, you know, the board works and everything else. Alright, so again, I won't even call it questionable on the barrel, it's just and there's the second. Sorry. So there that is, Bob Long, 694. That's a big barrel. So this feed neck is weird. Never knew it wasn't a clamping feed neck. That's on me. I'm gonna go grab my tank. Now when I talked to the seller, he said that he was running it on SLP. I have this tank, it is set at LP. He said it would be fine, so let's see if he even screws in here. And it doesn't fit underneath this drop. I do have one more tank, let me see. And that's not going to fit under there either. Okay, so this just got a little bit longer, hopefully not too much. I'm honestly just going to take the drop off because I'm never going to play with it, and then probably just free float the ASA. I can't remember the last time I bought a gun with a drop forward on it. This is gonna fit in there, is it? No. This is gonna be this one. Nope, the happy medium. Okay. So apparently therein lies the issue and why the drop forward was needed, because now it looks like it needs a rail for this on-off, but we'll figure that out later. Okay. So the ASA is in the off position. And do or die time, I guess, right? Okay, so that leak appears to be from the macro line fitting. Not a huge concern to me. I'll turn it on. The bolt is not moving. I don't want to mess with it too much, but maybe if we... Okay, so that's pretty much where it stands. I'm going to message the guy, see if he has a suggestion, but other than that, I don't really know what to tell you. I don't want to crank it up too much, so we're just going to leave it at that for now. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. That is all for today.